Hello guys, nice to see you again. Sorry, yung internet ko talaga kahapon was guys, yung mga nakikinig dito sa podcast na to, dapat kasama ko sila doon sa LeBron James. Ako pa yung pasimuno noon, kinukulit ko pa sila. Tapos at the end of the day, ako pa yung laging nawawala. Pero yung offline kwentuhan namin, okay naman yung Zoom.
Yeah.
Whenever it
So,
was time to record, wala na. Ayaw
yeah,
na ng internet. But hello, welcome back everyone. Another PBA. Uh, latest happenings, ano ba nangyayari ngayon sa mga standings, ano nangyayari sa mga group stages dito sa PBA. And the first one that we're gonna talk about is, before that, please join the Facebook group. 2.5K, ano na tayo ha? Mga members,
Wow!
yung ko lang na-realize na
mm,
2.5K na.
Wow!
So, sali kayo sa Man Podcast dash bench mob. Still great discussions. Buti yung mga mods natin always on top of everything. So, salamat kasi alam mo, busy kami tatlo. Pero yung mga mods natin, they make it work. So, thank you. Um, First topic, guys, pag-usapan is, yung nakita yung thumbnail, right? Is NLEX for real this time? And this time kasi, sabi namin NLEX for real this time is because there's a new coach, new system of Coach Jimmy Alapag na something that he learned back in the US. May, ano ba naman kay Coach Jong, di ba? May nakita natin from past season. But obviously, I think he got figured out already, no? And it's more of changing the mentality of the players na whenever they facing a team like TNT in the quarterfinals. Maybe Coach Jimmy Alapag can do something about it. So far, they're undefeated. Uh,
I think 2-0, 3-0. 3-0. 3-0.
3.
Do you know?
3-0. They look like legit contenders. It's not just pure Bolick. It's more of everyone who's contributing, which is nice to see. They're not as predictable like last conferences. Kayo, where are we at dito sa NLEX Road Warriors under the tutelage of Coach Jimmy Alapag? Are they for real or hindi? You cannot say for now.
Um, One thing is for sure, Coach Jimmy has unlocked Shawnee Winston.
Ah, Shawnee
Um,
Winston eh, no?
he
Yeah.
has
Speaking of the man, sayang wala sa
unlocked
thumbnail.
Shawnee, bro. Is he? Are they 3-0 or 4-0? I think they're 4-0.
Wait. Tatalo nila
Are
SMB.
they?
4-0 na. Oh, tinalo nila SMB kahapon.
Wow!
Yeah,
Yeah,
they're
they're 4-0.
4-0.
Yeah, these guys are
Convincing
4-0.
win, by the way. 110-96 against
That
SMB.
was 2 days ago, and I would know.
Shh. Mm.
I
Oh,
would know.
syempre, you would know. Nagka-text ka pa sa
I
akin
would
nun.
know. But
Sabi ko
bro,
sa'yo eh.
they have unlocked Shawnee Winston. He has been amazing this conference so far. I think in every game he's outscored Bolek. If I remember it correctly.
Oh, I don't know. I
And
have to check the ano.
yeah,
Sige,
I
go
think in
lang.
every game he's outscored Bolek. I'm not sure dun sa SMB
Wow!
game.
I'm going through everything, so just go,
He
Tom.
did. He
Yeah,
did outscore him sa
every
SMB
game.
game. So,
Yeah, in the other games
wow!
I'm sure he did it. So dude, he's been good.
Oh,
Even
Mario's
there's
right. He
yeah,
has outscored Bolik in every NLEX game so
yeah.
far. Galing.
Wow!
Um,
Wow.
right? He's been
How
unlocked
did you
by
know
coach.
that? Did you like check the games before?
As a connoisseur.
Uh,
As a basketball connoisseur, sometimes you just know.
uh,
Dude, he's been unlocked by Coach Jimmy. I don't know if
oh.
maybe because of the work Coach Jimmy did with some of the best guards in the NBA. I don't know if he taught something to Shawnee na or he just gave more confidence to Shawnee Winston. Kasi man, ang lupit na ni Shawnee. There was a game where he even outscored Daquan, who's also been a very good import. He's been a good import this whole time. Um, Very under the radar type of guy, but I believe that's just what NLEX is as a team. But he's also a good import. We can even say Bolek's been having a very subpar confidence so far. He's
US
had
standards na nakita natin
yeah,
na 30 and 8 guy,
Sila ni
39.
RJ, yung dalawang
yeah, yung
Actually,
dalawang
RJ also
BPC,
has
no?
been,
contenders.
yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
we'll get to that guy in a second.
Yeah. Bro, ang ganda ng ano nila, ang ganda ng nilalaro ni Shani right now. For some reason, and I was completely wrong. For some reason, Coach Jimmy has all the faith in Enoch Valdez. Um,
Oo nga, yun isang ano
bro,
talaga.
bro, he's
Inunlock
been
niya talaga.
playing
Sinistart
he's
niya
been
eh, na
playing
talagang,
Enoch. He's been playing Enoch more than Baguio. He's been
oo nga,
playing Enoch
no?
more.
PBA All-Star.
Yeah,
JV
oh wow.
Yeah.
Bahio. Yeah, he is a,
Yeah, yeah,
right?
yeah, sure. He is an all-star. Yeah,
Di-
yep, just like Nards Pinto. So, man, I really don't understand, or I love it for TNT. Ay, TNT tuloy.
Oh,
Sorry,
Freudian
I'm
slip.
watching,
Uy!
I'm watching TNT
Mm.
Converge kasi.
Converge.
Yeah.
Uy. Naman
I love
ganyan.
it for NLEX na ang lupit na mga bata nila. Shawnee is younger than Robert Bolick
Yeah,
and
for
you know
sure. Yeah.
it's so good. I'm really surprised that Enoch is the one trusted more than Bahio. But as of right now, I think we can kind of say that it's deserved. Um,
Just found
it's
new
a,
life with Coach Jimmy. Iba yung, I don't know
yeah.
what Coach Jimmy sees in him, but congrats, Enoch.
Bro, grabe yung pinapakain ni iba yung pinapakain ni Coach Jimmy kay
Enoch.
Shawnee. And
Mm-mm.
yeah, and Enoch, we see very little Brandon Ramirez,
Yeah.
which is kind for Ramirez fans out there is
So you,
kind of sad.
ikaw.
Actually.
So ikaw.
How many?
So ikaw.
So there's me, there's Nico.
Oh,
All right.
his girlfriend. That's three. Ay,
Yeah.
wife pala, his wife. So that's three.
Yeah,
Bro,
a few Pampanga Giant Lanterns, I'm sure, are fans of him as well. Pero man, ayun nga, it's just really a new world out there right now for NLEX.
I'm not buying it still. Yeah, I still have to see it. It's still NLEX. Yeah,
Yeah, time and time again, talagang
yeah, tale us all that's as time, di ba? Um it's just waiting to happen. Yung moment na yun in the playoffs. Am I rooting against them? No. But uh, right now, I still have to see na at least makarating ulit sila sa semis, which the last time it happened was with Cameron Clark. 'Di ba? So they still have to prove it before people will be convinced. Di lang naman tayo yung nagdududa sa NLEX. Like, everyone knows they're the current intro voice of the PBA. Kasi yung dating intro voice, ito yun, 1 and 2 rin na yung Magnolia.
At
So,
least na sila, hindi na sila nag-intro. So, simulan
oo,
na
parang
natin
kaya na nila mag-intro. Ito na, wag na tayong umangat. Ganun.
So sobrang ayaw nila sa intro voice na tag. They just forgot to do the
Let's
intro
just
part.
suck.
Oh, I know, wala na lang. Hindi na
Wala
kami
nang
mag-intro,
intro.
boys. Oh, hindi na kami pupunta eh. So, di ba, this is what NLEX has always been. Number 1, number 2 in the standings. And then madadapa sa quarterfinals. Do I have more faith in them now than I
With
had in
Coach
the previous
Jimmy.
conferences? Yes. Oh, you're right about Shawnee Winston. And what I love about that, bro, is ando pa rin yung effort niya. Alam mo yung mga hustle ni Shawnee Winston na um, yung mga masisipag niya na play, yung mga trailer siya, putback, yung mga ganun. Nandun pa rin, hindi siya tamad, and hindi yung nagbago despite his numbers, being all-star like numbers. He's been outplaying their best players, Robert Bolick, in this conference. He should be in the running for the BPC award as we speak. So, 'di ba, yung ganung developments ng NLEX yung gusto mong makita and na-provide yun ni Coach Jimmy. But to answer the question, no, I still have to see it. They stayed a giant, yung San Miguel, di ba? Tinambakan nila na yun,
Convincing win, 110 to 96.
25 ata yun, 24, 25 tinambak nila sa San
Pangit
Miguel.
ng predictions ko last week. Share ko lang.
Yeah, well, by the way, sabi ni
Graham.
Bo,
Tayo, Graham.
Yeah.
Someone's tallying eh. Thank you sa nagtatali.
Yeah.
Boss, si
Thank
Kuya
you.
Moingo. Si Kuya
Oh,
Moingo.
yes, Kuya Mingo. Yeah. Thank you
for
brother.
that.
Putik to si
Tas
Days. Banong ni Days. Oh my God.
Yeah. The domino it. Pero man, 'di ba? They stayed the giant in San Miguel. Hindi ko alam kung nakalaban na nila yung Converge. I cannot recall kung nakalaban nila yung Converge. Hindi pa. So that's the next giant na nando sa grupo nila. That's actually the only giant na natitira sa grupo nila. Actually, there's a giant. There are two giants in their group, the Giant Pandas and the Giant Risers, but they're not really giants. You know, they're just called giants. So
Titan Giant, Ultra Giant. Aren't they just the
Titan Ultra Giant Risers and the
Ultra
Macau
Giant. I thought they
Giant
were just the
Pandas.
Titan
Yeah, walang
Ultra
Puro
talk.
giant na lang.
Yeah, I want to talk about that game. I'm done with NLEX. Too much NLEX talk. Pero I don't believe in them yet.
So much
Pero bro, puta yung noong Sabado, yung first game, yung Giant Classico. Giant
Oh,
Pandas
ano,
versus
Antipolo
Giant
Classico?
Risers.
Giant
Oh,
Classico Stoera. Bago yan ah.
Classico. Iba yung Giant Classico. Medyo iba na yun.
Magkikita pa ulit sa second round yung dalawa na yun. Nakakatawa yung laban na yun, bro. Tambak yung Macau, tapos may kakayahan pala silang bumalik. Akala ko kakayahan lang nila magpatambak. Pero kaya pa nilang bumalik. We know.
You know,
There's
sometimes things just call for it. What can you
yeah,
do?
parang law of averages, di ba? Parang parang yung pinanganak ka mahirap at some point, di ba, makakaahon-ahon ka rin naman, makakain ka rin naman ng masarap, di ba? Parang, ay, ganun din naman siguro yung Macau. That's probably their peak sa PBA because no way they came back from 18 down versus Titan.
I mean, there's a reason for everything.
There's a reason for that for sure. And we know it. But
There's
man,
a
that
reason
that
for every season, man. But don't worry, Titan Ultra fans, all 12 of you out there,
Whew.
what's this called? I think that news article regarding kung sino yung bumili ng bagong team, I think that's
Oh,
about
sino
time.
yun? Sino yun?
I
Yung Shea
think
Gilgeous
yun.
Alexander. Yeah.
ha?
Oo.
Yeah.
Taga Team
Sir
Canada
Shea
eh, no?
Yeah. Basta times are gonna look good soon, man. Times are gonna look good soon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're already making moves actually. Behind
Yeah.
the scenes na
Mm.
maayos.
But
Kaya ganado actually yung team. Kaya ganado yung team. Because it's not the ano.
Ganado
It's
pa ba
not,
sila nun?
Talo sa Macau.
ginaganado na ganado na.
After nung
What's
gawin
their
yun,
next year?
kasi to be fair, after that game, dun pa lang binili yung team eh.
Actually.
So,
Okay.
baka yun. But yeah, Graham's right. That's enough NLEX talk.
Tama na.
I think we have talked about the two teams who we need to understand kung is it time to panic for these two teams, Hinebra and TNT. Let's talk about TNT because I'm watching their game right now. I'm frustrated by what I'm watching. Darius Days.
Oh, 10 na ulit pala yung lamang.
Darius Days, man. Leave. just go, bro. I saw na ano siya, na I think bago yung team niya, Illawarra. He's going back to Illawarra, if I'm remembering it, if I saw it correctly. Yeah, ayun. Illawarra deal. Yeah, he's going to Illawarra. Again, I don't know if they know na he gained so much weight while he was here in the Philippines. Kasi, man, y'all, I don't know if you guys know this, when Darius Days arrived in the Philippines,
He was big. He was
he
wide.
was, yeah, but he was like bulky big. Alam mo yun? Like, and he looked like a fit dude. If you're watching this TNT version of Darius Days, it's like Omari Spellman on Lebanon. Because when Omari Spellman was in Korea, he was fit. He was dunking on everybody. Then when he played for Lebanon, all of a sudden he couldn't do any of that anymore. I feel like now na may lumabas na article na Days is gonna go back to the NBL. I believe
That
medyo
explains it.
that explains why sobrang ingat niya sa laro. Like,
Yeah.
he's not trying to get into the paint. He's not trying to dunk the ball. He's not trying to overpower or anything. It kind of explains it na baka ano siya. He doesn't want to get hurt. He doesn't want to get hurt. Kasi bro, syempre, bigger contract yung NBL eh. But man,
Bangko nga siya ngayon, no?
but yeah,
Binangko na siya ni
man,
Coach.
you suck, brother. Right now, you currently suck. I know in the NBL, you'll be good again for some reason. But right now, TNT fans, I think TNT fans themselves are happy na
Wala.
nakapirma na siya sa NBL. Although medyo matagal pa yung NBL season eh. So, I don't know
May
what
kapalit na ba siya?
Huh?
I mean, may kapalit na siya dito?
I don't know, but then I'm sure TNT fans aren't happy with what they're seeing also, man.
Sa mga nalaro niya today, 3 for 14 siya ngayon against Converge.
Sama
Yeah,
talaga.
how many,
Sa
how many
terra
threes
firma nga
has
eh.
he taken? How many threes has he taken?
7.
Exactly.
He's 1 for 7 from 3.
You for 4.
0 for 3.
Oh, tinaw.
Wow.
He's taken
It's
10
just
shots.
Selection to.
He's taken 10 shots from deep, bro.
Yeah, this guy's just settling, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, yung mahirap doon, wala pa siyang kapalit, man. Dapat naghahanap na sila ng kapalit as early as now.
Sino pwede
Yeah.
kapalit? Bakit pwede kapalit mo?
Maraming pwedeng kapalit, bro. Unlimited yung resources ng TNT. Pero, yung nakakainis dun kay Days, alam mo yun, may kontrata ka na sa NBL, that's fine. Yung import ng NLEX na si Jonathan Simmons, di ba? Until the very last game, binigay niya yung pwede niyang ibigay, di ba? For NLEX. And they were 4-0 bago siya umalis. Yung NBA player, si Jonathan Simmons.
Before he went
Yung
to
kinuha
China.
sa
Yeah.
China.
Yeah,
Oo.
yeah. They really gave him
Diba?
a big amount. That's why
Oo,
he had
diba?
to just
Pero-
left NLEX just like that.
Yeah, kaya nga. Pero hindi mo ramdam na, uy, aalis na to. Gano'n, wala nang pake. Di ba? At least
Laban
not
si
to,
Jonathan.
oo,
Yeah. Jonathan
not
na,
today's
yeah.
level,
It's
di
the
ba?
same. It's the same group. Why doesn't TNT get Simons?
Jonathan Simons, yeah,
Simmons.
yeah.
Simmons. It's
Simmons,
Simmons.
whatever.
It's
Simons, right?
Jonathan.
If it's two
No, it's
M's, it's
Simmons.
Simmons. If it's single M, it's Simons, right?
I don't
No,
know,
it's
man.
Jonathan.
Like Jonathan
It's
Simons.
Simmons. I'm a Spurs fan, trust me. Pero brother, oo nga, no,
You're
bakit
also a
di
fan
nila
of the
ulit
Dodgers?
kinuha yun? Yeah, Dodgers, Chiefs,
No
Yankees,
longer a Laker
Yankees,
fan. No longer
Yankees,
a Laker fan.
Barcelona,
yeah,
Real Madrid,
yeah,
Manchester United,
San Beda,
Favorite Pokemon Pikachu.
and Charizard.
And Charizard.
favorite artist Taylor Swift. Who else? Who else?
Favorite superhero Superman.
Pero I'll give you
Fa-
Cup of Joe. Hindi, actually,
yeah.
mainstream na rin Cup of Joe. Hindi na pwede.
Hindi, man.
Favorite senator? That's
Oh,
right.
oh, oh,
Ah, ah.
Pero yeah, they're dysfunctional right now. Actually nag-post si Brother Roy Bueno kung sino yung latest dysfunctional teams na
That was a good post, by the way.
that was a
That's
good
nice
post and people pulled really crazy teams na mapapabalik ka. This TNT team pag din nila to sinolusyonan, this can go down as one of those dysfunctional teams kasi malakas pa rin talaga sila eh. Although
Wala
you
rin
know,
Calvin makikita mo na mga walang Calvin. You
yeah,
see it.
yeah. I get it.
Yeah.
I get it.
Iba yung
Wala
effect
si
niya
Calvin.
for ano.
Bro, yeah, but in all honesty, even with TNT being this bad, well, their import being this bad, Jordan Heading has been on another level of
Oo nga.
basketball.
Against Terra Firma, no?
Bro, grabe yung laro ni Heading right now.
Oo.
Like, Terra Firma, Converge, it doesn't matter who he's going up against. He's just, ito yung most, what's this called, version ni Heading na nakita ko ever. Ito yung most na aggressive, I'm gonna score the ball, wag niyo ako, don't even try, that I've ever,
Oh, he's
that
hurt.
I've ever seen.
No,
he's
we're
hurt
talking
now.
about him. He's
Si
hurt.
Heading.
Oh my
He's
God,
holding onto his
he
shoulder.
just got hurt. What's happening?
What?
TNT,
Holy
tinamaan ba siya?
jinx. Holy jinx. Man.
they're feeling, oh my God.
Oh,
Coach
God,
Shots
Coach-
like no.
Coach
Bigla
Shot.
siyang ano.
Oh,
He was
no.
holding to his
All
shoulder.
Tapos tumingin,
Tsaka-
and he looked behind him and he was like, who the hell am I gonna play now? And he saw Simon.
Oh, shit.
So
Oh,
he goes, oh shit. And then,
Hey, that's my friend Simon.
Dude,
Oh,
Simon's
yeah,
gonna be-
nakita ko nga, no?
Simon's a good player, pero man, to replace
He ain't
Heading,
heading.
is- Ooh,
He ain't
that's tough.
heading. Oh,
There was a time
he
though where
doesn't-
Simon was
Bro, it
so
doesn't-
good.
Yeah, he was
Oh, God,
Embiid.
yung tinira niya against Bay Area in Game 3 to
Ano ba
extend
yun?
the series. I remember that. Nasa
Ay,
ultra ako
oo,
sa
siya yun,
tuktok.
siya yun, siya yun.
Yung game winner, di ba?
What's
God, it
Jordan's
doesn't
injury
look good
dati?
for
Back
Heading.
injury ba or shoulder?
Back, yeah,
diba?
back against San Miguel.
Okay, at least it's not the
Pero
back again.
yeah, he's playing well. They won the trade. That's for sure. No, it's funny they're playing against Mikey right now, and they definitely won the trade.
I
Pero
guess 17
it does
to man.
it doesn't look good. Yeah, but Heading has been playing way better than Mike. Pero
I wanna see what
pucha,
happens. Kung
Parang he
na-injure
strained
ba.
something. Kasi wala namang
May
ginawa si Mike.
baka stinger, feeling ko stinger.
Ayan, no. Yun,
Sana
naipit
ganun nga
doon.
lang.
Naipit lang doon.
Stinger,
You just
stinger lang.
held, diba? You just held on to it
Sana
after
lang.
this one. You know.
But yeah, it kind of sucks because wow, it kind of sucks because Heading's been so good for TNT, man. Ito yung literal na gilas Heading eh. This is
Asan
literally.
ba Asan ba si Ralier? Lagi kong sinasabi si Ralier dapat yung replace. Where's
He must be
Ralier
playing in a
right now?
league better than ours, man.
Maybe he's with
Yeah,
Ben Phillips in
Tai-
Arkansas.
he's
I
with
don't know.
actually last played for the Taipei Mars.
Yeah, in Chinese Taipei.
Yeah.
Rally.
I mean, that's it. I don't see anything else, so
Champion
why
ba
not
sila?
him?
I know. I know.
Nah, I don't know.
Different.
I don't know. All I know is the extended visa-free visit in Taiwan, so
But yeah.
we're gonna get there.
Bro,
Yeah.
not just
Um,
TNT, yung 1 and 2. Ginebra's 1 and 2, man.
Ooh, Magnolia's
Um,
1 and 2.
Yeah. RJ, I'm a fan, brother. I've always been a fan. Well, I'm not gonna pretend always. RJ, I'm a fan. I've always been supportive of you ever since you put on a Ginebra jersey, but it's been a rough
Yeah, it's rough.
part of the
Yeah,
conference for
it's
RJ.
been rough
Super.
nga.
I think it might be, bro, wala ring pahinga yung katawan ni RJ. He's been-
Kaya dire-diretso, no?
Bro, dire-diretso rin si RJ. Di lang si Brownlee yung dire-diretso eh. PBA Finals, diretsong Asia Cup qualifiers, diretsong PBA ulit. He has no rest right now. And let's be real, dude. In the qualifiers, he was being used and abused there.
Yeah.
And it was hard to go up against the best teams in the world. because they are Filipinos. They are Asians, Australia and New Zealand. Uh, so ayun, man, it's kind of it is difficult for RJ and Hinebra right now. It's really just he just hasn't looked comfortable masyado. Big deal talaga yung wala kang Scotty.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Syempre that's your
kitang-kita mo.
second that's your guy na tatanggal ng pressure sa'yo. And it's a big deal din na baguhan pa lang si Grigsby. Is it time to press the what's it called?
Alarm bells.
The alarm bells?
Yeah, the proverbial alarm bells. Maybe for me, maybe. Because it's not a short conference. I don't know when Scotty plans on coming back. So, alarm bells are there. Obviously, this is the time when you miss yung mga Malonzo mo, yung Japet Aguilar na
The good old
old,
days.
'di ba? Yung old days
The
Japet, yung
Japet
pwede
of
pumunta.
of old.
But again, what can you really do? It kind of sucks kasi Ross and Phoenix are the toss-up games sa bracket nila eh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the fun ones, no?
Those are the ones na di ka sure yun yung mga those are the games that will determine kung sino yung pupunta dun sa next phase or whatever. Yun yung those are the ones that determine it. And those are the ones that they lost. So that kind of hurts talaga. Buti nga they beat Blackwater,
They beat Blackwater
which
by
is a pretty big
30.
deal. Yeah, by 30, which was a good game from who had a good game that game? I think it was
Stephen Holt
Stephen Holt.
at
Yeah, that's the Holt game.
19.
Yeah. 2 game. We've called you out, Holt, and you had a good game, brother. Brother.
Nebra just hire us, man.
Yeah. Just tell us if you're watching.
Ay, wait, di ko pa nakakwento to sa mga guys. So. Pero si Kaylan, I told this to Graham and Mario. So I was crossing in BGC. Kaylan Chomps was across dun sa kabilang ng sidewalk. So just walking, saw him. And he was like, gumanon siya, yung aperan ka, hey man, love the pod. Keep going, bro. So I go, oh, shit.
Are you
Thanks,
sure he
Kaylan.
doesn't hate us?
No, man. Dude, if he hates me,
Based
sana binugbog niya. Sana sinuntok na ako doon. Kunyari, ano lang, ako doon sa gilid, di ba? Hindi na makikita yun. Tumatawid kami. But yeah, my Nemro was watching and natutuwa lang ako sa mga like, what the heck? Kaylan Johnson watches? So,
Well, that's
Hey,
that's
man.
nice.
nice to
I
know.
think
Nice to
Stephen
know.
Holt is watching.
Kaylan,
Stephen Holt, if you're watching.
Kaylan, if you're still watching right now, do us a favor. Ask for a trade to him.
Yeah.
Do us a small favor,
Just
man.
do us a favor.
I know Ross is a good team also, and you have a bigger role now na walang mamuyak. But brother, come on. I can
Well,
guarantee
Benefit
he has no like any incentive to move to Ginebra, bro. Like sa Rain or Shine, at least alam mo, he's got it going for him.
I'm gonna tell you, there's gonna be a lot of incentives paglipat niya sa far better than what he's getting sa Ross. Pero to go back to the Ginebra point, I don't think they have to pull the plug on Riley Grigsby. He's okay.
They don't.
Kasi yung
Okay
barometer
naman
mo
Riley
kasi.
Grigsby, ah. Okay
Kaya
naman
nga.
Riley Grigsby.
Kaya
Hindi
nga.
hindi ko siya.
Makukumpara mo kasi talaga siya dun sa temporary pinapalitan niya, 'di ba? And it's unfair to do that kasi nung si Brownlee yung bagong pasok, wala namang standard na ganyan yung Hinebra eh. Their imports before him were okay lang. Hindi yung GOAT level, top 3, top 5 import of all time level na pinapalitan ni Grigsby ngayon. Ramdam mo talaga yung pagkawala ni Scotty. Wala yung alam mo yung kahit tambak ka na 11 yung mga hustle play ni Scotty na bubuhay sa'yo. Wala yung mga ganun eh. Hindi rin nakakatulong na si RJ is that's a foul. RJ is averaging less than 12 points a game. Diba? Pinatid si Pugoy.
Grabe, pinatid niya si Pugoy. Tapos yung referee, parang ayaw pa niya tawagan.
Yeah, right. Pero man, diba? Parang they're not complete.
At least nagsasorry siya. Sorry naman.
Yeah, they're not complete. Yung yung
You know it's bad. You know it's bad when both me and Graham parang he didn't
parang may lang.
Parang hindi naman siya hinawakan.
May gagi challenge.
Challenge niya. Wala
Oh, yung
tuhod. Parang tuhod niya.
My bad, sorry.
lang, bro.
Yeah. I think he just fell
challenge. But yeah,
si Delta will start challenging.
See, that's why people are saying na, you should do a live recording pag may guys. This is why we cannot do live recording.
Because we're wrong.
Yeah. Pero man, TNT and Ginebra, they're not complete. They don't have let's be honest. TNT is Calvin of Tana's team, right? For the second straight episode, whose
It's
team is
Heading's team.
Ginebra?
It's Heading's team. I'm
It's
sorry.
Heading's
It's
team.
Heading's team.
Okay.
It's
All
Heading's.
right. Yeah, it's Heading's team.
I will say this. It's Heading's team, but it's of Tana based. If that makes
Yeah.
do you get what I mean?
Yeah, I get you.
Yeah. Like Heading
I
is the
get
star, but then if Calvin's not doing good, they're not gonna win games. Or they will rarely win games.
Yeah. I get your point with that. Pero tama ka dun. But yeah, again, they're not complete. Wala yung okay, if Heading is the star, if RJ is the star, wala yung second best player ng TNT ni Nebra, which is Calvin and Scotty respectively. Tapos
Yeah.
you import nila both, actually not both. It's unfair to Riley Grigsby.
Grigsby's been
But
good.
si
Okay,
Days
si
kasi
Grigsby.
is not doing his job
Not to mention people
properly.
love him,
Tapos
no? Kasi I think wala siyang topak. Wala siyang...
oo, wala
To be
wala
fair,
talaga siya.
Wala siyang topak.
Graham makes
Pero
a really
yeah.
fair point. It's hard to replace
Nice pass.
be the one after Justin Brownlee.
Yeah, iba
Yeah,
talaga.
Kaya
Iba
nga, mahirap
talaga.
talaga yun.
Yeah,
Mahirap talaga yun.
maging kasunod ni JB. So,
I
kasi no
do
matter what he
believe,
does kasi makukumparat siya sa kay
yeah, kay Brownlee. I believe, brother, na if maagang nalaman yung injury ni Brownlee, George King would have been a Gin King.
You feel so.
Tagal na sa SMB, man. He's been signed to
Hindi-
SMB for a while.
Ganun ba? I can't remember. Pero
Yeah, I don't remember also.
Pero
Tagal
man,
nun.
hindi nga sila kompleto, 'di ba? So, we give them the benefit of the doubt. If let's say for example, yung nasa kabilang bracket number 1 NLEX, tapos number 4 yung katapat nila Hinebra, they have twice to beat. You're picking Hinebra in a series against NLEX, especially pag nakabalik si Brownlee, which is around October na yun, 'di ba? So, it's really something na right now talking point na dapat pang palitan si Grigsby. Should you press the panic button on Hinebra? I don't think so. Same with TNT. 'Di ba? Dito sa kabilang bracket, let's say Phoenix yung mag number 1 or Ross. I'll still pick TNT against those teams, especially kapag na sort na nila yung import situation. So, it's disappointing, as a Ginebra fan na ganun yung performance nila. But I'm not concerned. I'm not too concerned. We'll still get there. At least hindi tayo kagaya ng isang team sa SMC Cup na pero wala talaga direction.
Hey man, what's wrong with you?
No, I mean, it makes sense because Graham doesn't really like that team. Yeah.
What was our third topic? Pasadahan lang natin.
Wala, we did the TNT na eh. Dinaanan na rin natin yung TNT.
Sama ba yun? So,
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
Magnolia
Ginebra
lost to
against-
Meralco.
It's
Meralco
Ross.
actually.
Hindi.
People called us out na, hindi nyo pinag-uusapan yung Meralco. Yeah, Meralco's been good. You import nila
Hester.
sino yun? Si Hester. Baliw. Putsi, talo pala yung Meralco sa Magnolia.
Yeah.
112-98, I remember that game for specific reasons. Pero, man,
Me too.
oo nga. Talo pala sila.
Kayong dalawa, magkakuntsaba na kayo eh.
I still don't buy their import, yung import ng Magnolia.
You'll never buy any of their
Actually, he's
imports.
okay, ah.
Except si Nuni Omot.
Dude, he's okay.
No,
I
actually,
like
gusto ko
his
si
I like it.
Chapman. I don't
Oh yeah, Chapman's great. Oh, Chapman was good. I like Chapman,
Dude,
yeah.
Hindi
I'm
ko.
okay with the import of Magnolia. Ang hindi okay sa akin is yung actually no, he's fine. Si Steven Hester is okay. Yung hindi
Si
okay lang
Buffin,
na
parang
import sa akin.
nakukulangan pa ako doon kay Buffin.
Okay siya. Nakukulangan ako kay Lastimosa, pero ganoon talaga.
Pero yung mga guards that nag-succeed sa previous conference, medyo tagilid ngayon, no? RJ,
Bro, I'm telling you,
Lastimosa.
you know, I feel like Mark Barroca has been trying to retire for the longest time.
Hindi lang
pero-
pinapanood Coach LA. Please!
Ang galing niya ulit ngayon. Ang galing niya ulit ngayon ni Barroca.
Wala siyang choice.
Wala
Hindi pa
siyang
niya
choice,
magaling,
bro.
man.
Kailangan niya si Coach LA, please.
Di pa kaya Lastimosa needs more
Mentoring.
experience to do what
He's still young.
freaking
Jerome's young.
Barroca does.
You
I'm not
would
giving
think no na after yung Meralco game niya nung playoffs, yung nag-take over talaga siya tapos siya yung nagpatalo sa dulo. You'd think na ito na siguro yung moment niya na parang alam mo yun kasi nangyari yun kay RJ di ba? Yung mga ganong moment. Pero hindi maganda yung naging kasunod for Jerome. Pero I think there will be an import change for Magnolia. Again, he's putting up the numbers. Parang it's not as empty as Justin Strings, pero I'm not sold. I think I think they need another guy. Naunaan sila kay Hester kasi si Hester okay din yung magaling talaga yun eh. But
Like Buffin, bro.
I don't know why. It's not just because of hatred, pero I
Mostly
don't feel
because of
him.
that, but not just because of that.
I don't feel him. Yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We do not do, every game na so far kasi this conference has been really weird.
Yeah, I mean, people enjoy yung mga chika-chika. We don't, people, okay,
People
ulit
value-
guys hindi kami mga analysts. We were never analysts. We're just fans of the
Yeah.
game.
Unless somebody hires us to be analysts, we're good with
No,
that.
no, no, Mario
We're-
kasi, usually, di ba, Graham, can you explain what an analyst is sa coverage? Pag analyst kasi dapat former player ka, or coach, or
Yeah.
part ka na
No, we're not
staff.
that.
You have a background. You answer the whys,
Hmm.
That's what an analyst does. That's why I don't know why that guy keeps on being an analyst. All right, I don't want to go there, but no. Pero yeah, it's been a crazy con. Magulat ka lang pagbukas mo ng TV, may PBA pala. Parang uy, ano yun?
Di ba minsan nga pag
But-
Tuesday or Monday, I'm like, Bakit nagsasalita
It's
si ganito ng
weird.
ano? Di ko gets yung
It's
schedule nila.
weird.
Dati, di ba, it's Wednesday, Friday, Sunday.
Friday
Diba?
and
Wednesday, Friday,
Sunday,
Sunday.
yeah.
Ngayon, parang,
Yeah,
may Tuesday. May Monday? Ngayon, may Tuesday game?
Yeah. Yeah, kaya nga ang pahinga mo lang
Wednesday.
noon, 'di ba, ay Monday. Dahil may PVL naman ng Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Yun
Hindi ko
yung
na alam
yun
yung
yung
schedule
kaano
ngayon,
nila
guys.
eh. Pero ngayon po, ang gulo talaga.
Gets, bro.
But yeah, well, it's the PBA. Minamadali nila because of the Asian Games and the Gilas break.
Oh, yeah, they have
Speaking
to.
of, I think we'll make a video on yung mga
Yeah,
bagong
gawa tayo sa
naging
Asian
sa
Games.
pool.
Ang ganda ng update sa Asian Games. Gawa tayo ng Asian Games video, guys.
Yeah.
Let's try this week. Or
recap?
tomorrow.
We do recap?
Ano, Asian Games?
Hindi,
Ano,
I mean not recap. Predictions? We do prediction?
Oh,
once
yeah,
we-
real
no, once
quick.
we- Ano prediction? What, like on the final lineup or?
No. PBA,
Wow.
PBA.
prediction.
Prediction, yeah.
All right. Yeah.
may
All
nagtatrack
right, tomorrow.
Bab-
Yeah,
Ano ba
Wednesday.
tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Wait lang. Wait lang.
Tomorrow.
Buksan ko na yung
Terra Firma Macau.
All right, I got Terra Firma.
Terra Firma.
Ah, no.
Terra Firma.
Terra Firma.
No. I'll go against Terra Firma every game.
Justin
Macau.
Strings.
Why?
Justin Strings,
I-
brother.
It-
I'm coming.
because our pick
That's the
hinges
our-
on Terra
our
Firma.
pick. Our pick.
All right.
Oh,
I go
San Miguel next. San Miguel,
San Miguel
Titan.
Titan.
San Miguel.
I
Bro,
dare
versus
you,
the
SMB.
inspired. Akala ko ba
SMB,
masaya na
I
yung
dare
Titan
you.
ngayon?
Oh, maratalo sila by 10 na lang instead of 50.
Alright.
So,
I dare you, SMB. It's SMB.
Yeah.
kung
Raiders
hindi
tayo
mag-iiba
Magnolia.
pangalan ng Titan, I will never root for them. It has
Yeah.
to change first.
Gagi maganda tong Friday double header, Rain or Shine Magnolia. I get Rain
Oh,
or
that's
Shine.
tough.
Magnolia.
Rain or Shine.
Oh my God, here we go again, bro.
Oh,
I'm
that's
gonna end
tough.
up with the
Raiders.
dirtiest ranking at the end of it again.
Meralco.
You picked the obvious ones,
Ginebra. Mag-give it to Meralco.
Meralco, Ginebra.
Meralco.
Alright, I got
Meralco
Never. I got Never.
Kuya mo yung
Alright. Oh,
Kabala.
Converge
Yeah,
and
you go-
Lex.
And Lex.
this is a nice double header din.
Maganda yung header
I
double
got
head. Ang
Converge.
ganda
I
nito.
got Converge.
And Lex ako dito.
I'll go and Lex.
I
Wow,
got Converge.
TNT and San Miguel next. What a
TNT,
nice
Yeah.
San
back
Miguel.
to
That's
back.
San Miguel, bro.
It's San Miguel. It's San Miguel.
Bro, DN kawawa.
San Miguel,
Wala
TNT
akong
so
anak,
bad
baka
right
walang
now. Sama.
heading, baka walang pugoy.
Gagi, minulang tapon yung weekend double header mula Friday hanggang Sunday.
Ganda ng
Look,
game,
Rain or Shine Meralco.
Wow.
Rain or Shine Meralco it's gonna be Rain or Shine.
Rain or Shine
Napapagod tong
Meralco
Rain
is
or
going
Shine,
to
back
be...
Feel ko Meralco.
It's going to be
I got
Meralco.
Rain or
It's
Shine.
going to be Meralco.
I got Rain or Shine.
It's going to be
Ginebra.
Meralco.
Uy, klasiko naman.
Classico, yeah. See, nobody knows. Nobody knows. But yeah,
Marketing.
Sa klase
Straight
ko, alam
belt.
ko rin yung sagot natin doon.
straight belt. Straight
Sige,
belt.
let's end on August. Let's para new week na.
Yeah,
kasi.
that's it. That's it.
Yeah. Hinebra.
Ginebra.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Alright.
bro.
Yeah, once again, guys, thank you so much for listening. All of us are in Spotify, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. Nico here with Mario and Grim. We'll see you all for our next episode. Hopefully, once na finalize na siguro yung Asian Games roster, there have been new developments, but we're gonna talk about them in the next episode. Thank you so much, guys. Peace.
Adios, amigos.